Greetings from the Inside RAIS newsroom. This is Anne, bringing you the latest news from the Grade 10 Career Preparatory Camp. On February 19, the Guidance Department, along with the help of the Student Council and the Registrar's Office, has prepared a program for the Grade 10 students to introduce and give them insight on what they can expect for their future university preparations. The stations include discussions about their different high school diplomas and requirements, which was done with special guests through an online meeting. Here's Nicole for the interview.
And here we have 3 grade 10 students, Joseph, Ming, and Justin. Now, I'd like to ask, how did you feel or what did you think about today's program and what did you learn?
It was very fun and we have learned so many things from this program. We have also gained some beneficial tips from the alumni of the school.
And it's also very helpful for us the students because some still don't know what they want it to be, and this camp helps the students to make the decision easier.
It was good, and I'm sure the things we learned will be helpful for our future.
Okay, well, back to you, Anne. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Nicole. With this program, the Grade 10 students were able to obtain more knowledge and better understanding about future career. This is Anne, reporting from Inside RAIS. Our world, our stories.